Hello students, welcome to class 7th Social Studies. Our third lesson, we are talking about natural resources, forest, animals, area, sanctuaries, national parks, mineral resources and everything. This session I kept for a map work. In my previous session, I suggested that please buy 5 maps from the market of and prepare Indian geographical maps, and you have to trace it where Sasangir is there, where Kana is there, where Kaziranga is there, where Corbett National Park is there, where Lachigam is there. This is one of the best map work you are doing at home. I request all the students to use some color points also. Color work also you can do. You are mostly allowed this everyone, and you can do it this work at home by doing this one of the best activity. Then the table which I gave you, which I suggest you: Kaziranga, Assam; hippopotamus, wild buffalo; run of Thar, Rajasthan; wolf of Run, cat of Run; great Indian bustard, Gorad. Similarly, lion sanctuary is very popular in Gir National Park. We can see near to our Mawa also this kind of lion's habitat reserved by the Gujarat government forest area. Then one of the famous national park is situated near to us is Velavadar, where we can see black bear, Khadmor, wolf; Kiola Dev, Rajasthan; Bandipur, Karnataka; Dachigam, musk deer; Corbett, Uttarakhand is also very popular for elephant, lion, leopard and deer. Preservation and conservation of natural resources. As the students, when we are in the school, we were explained to that to conserve the natural resource. In our school, we have set up eco club, that many trees are given, planted systematically in our preservation area. 2% of water on the earth is suitable for human consumption. Polluted and poisonous water released from industries are rapidly polluting our water. This is danger for all life forms of environment. So, polluted water must be discovered, and school and college curriculum, it should be included for the forest development. There should be a 100% awareness among the students to take part in conservation of our natural resources. We have to minimize the cutting of the trees and save the life and property of forest. Dear students, minerals are the nature's gift to man. It is available in limited quantities, so must be utilized judicially. Alternative conservation and preserve of mineral must be found. It should be used with very proper and systematic way that we can reuse the afterwards repeatedly. Continuous deforestation is endangered many species of the wild animals, and it ends their life. In fact, some area is already devastated. You can see that now many birds and animals we cannot see also. So it is poached for their skin, feathers, bones, horns, teeth and meat also. Illegal and merciless killing of wild animal must be controlled. citizen must be aware of about importance of animals. So I request all of you to go for it. Read well, study well, and please do my map work. I remain here. We will talk more afterwards in our next point. Till that, thank you.